This is Ken Rockwell with kenrockwell.tv and kenrockwell.com. I've got a box here from Autorama. Actually, in the name of reducing violence, I've already cut it open. I've been buying from Autorama for over 40 years. I've been their customer since the 1970s when I used to buy my stuff at retail. Here's the box. It's a Nikon 24mm f1.8 for the Z-mount full-frame cameras. Notice it's completely unsealed. Even though the box that comes from UPS is sealed, the cameras and lenses are not sealed. So pretty much like the videos you see of kids opening up a thing of ice cream and spitting it and putting it back on the shelf. Same thing with cameras. Unless you buy from a known online source where, like Autorama, everything comes from a sealed, secure warehouse where nobody touches your camera. There's no salespeople going in there and showing it around. You really have to buy online today. You can't buy retail if you want to make sure you're actually getting new gear. We have here a little storage bag with sewn embroidered Nikkor, cute but not particularly useful. We have a single giant sheet of 6 languages of instructions. This is important. It's one of the reasons I buy from Autorama. It's legitimate USA warranted product. You'll notice Nikon USA, 5-year warranty. This shows you've actually got legitimate product. This serial number must match the serial number on your lens or it's useless. Something worth checking when you're unboxing your own products. But let's see, again, because it's totally unsealed, if you buy at a retail store, you can assume that somebody's had it out, passed it around, used it for the weekend, dropped it, brought it back, swapped it out for something else. I haven't bought retail since the 1970s when I discovered Autorama. Is an ordinary bayonet plastic hood, made in China. No news here. I never use these hoods, to be honest. They only are good for keeping your fingers off the lens. If I have a problem with flare, I just hold my hand up, which is much more effective to block the sun specifically. Otherwise, I leave the hood where it belongs in the box for resale time. Let's see. Here we go. Corrugated little guy. What have we got here? We've got a lens in bubble wrap. And here's our lens. Where is it made? Made in China. Sorry, wrong answer. That's the way it is. Here's your serial number, which should match what's on your warranty card. And if it doesn't, it means you bought from a crummy dealer that was swapping parts around, and who knows. The lens is mostly plastic. It's got, for vanity's sake, it has a metal ring here for focus, metal trim ring here. It's got a metal mount. It has a little bit of a rubber gasket here, gold-plated contacts. The optics, I presume, are going to be flawless, but the actual execution here is mostly plastic in China. This is your focus mode switch. There's no switch for the vibration reduction. Although the vibration reduction is done in camera, I wish it had a switch on my lens. And that's it. We have a diaphragm. Yes, we do. That is, oh, that's beautiful. That's 9 blades. And that's essentially it. There's not much to this lens. Thanks again for watching Ken Rockwell. KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv.